Did you know that Popeye Village in Malta was originally built as a film set for the 1980 movie Popeye? It is now a fascinating attraction that draws thousands of visitors each year. In this video, we'll explore the charming and colorful Popeye Village, a unique destination that brings the beloved cartoon character to life. The entrance to the village costs €24 for adults and €16 for children. As we started wandering the streets, we saw plenty of posters about the movie. However, the first thing that struck us was the amazing scenery from the watch post, from which we could see the entire bay and village. At the watch post, you can write up your name in a logbook, or you may choose to rock the chair. Popeye Village is more than just a theme park. It's an immersive experience that will transport you to a bygone era. As we wander through the village, you'll notice the attention to detail that has gone into recreating the charming atmosphere of the classic cartoon series. From the brightly colored buildings to the lively soundtrack, every aspect of Popeye Village is designed to evoke a sense of nostalgia and wonder. Whether you're a longtime fan of Popeye or just looking for a fun day out, this village has something for everyone. Throughout the day, there are multiple interactive games that take place in the central square. If you would like to test your acting abilities, you can do it 2 times per day, in the morning or in the afternoon session. I'm participating in a few typical Popeye movie scenes. Here is a glimpse into one of the game contests that you can enjoy. As we explore the village, keep an eye out for the various memorabilia and artifacts on display, showcasing the rich history of Popeye. You'll find vintage posters, rare collectibles, and even some original props from the 1980 film. These unique touches add an extra layer of authenticity to the overall experience, making you feel like you're part of the Popeye universe. One of the biggest challenges faced by Popeye Village was its transition from a film set to a tourist attraction. After the production of the 1980 film wrapped up, the village was left abandoned, and it remained in a state of disrepair for several years. However, a group of entrepreneurs saw the potential of the village and decided to restore it to its former glory. Through sheer dedication and hard work, they transformed Popeye Village into the thriving attraction you see today. Since its reopening, Popeye Village has become an integral part of Malta's tourism industry, attracting visitors from all over the world. The village has also had a significant impact on the local community, providing jobs and stimulating economic growth in the area. As you can see, the mayor's office is empty, so I am considering applying for the position next year. Hit the like button if you will vote for me. Thank you for your support. One of the highlights of Popeye Village is its stunning views of the surrounding area. This view can be admired best from the watchtower. The village is nestled in a picturesque bay, offering breathtaking vistas of the Mediterranean Sea. As we take in the sights and sounds of the village, you'll feel like you're part of a real-life cartoon, surrounded by the vibrancy and energy of Popeye's world. Now, let's continue our stroll through the village and explore a few more attractions, starting with the Popeye Comic Museum. The museum hosts many comic books, posters, figurines, decorations, and sculptures celebrating all Popeye characters. As we wander through the colorful streets, you'll notice the various themed areas, each one recreating a different aspect of Popeye's world. the sawmill, the pipes shop, the tipsy bar, and olive oil's house. The house is decorated with great attention to detail. From Olive Oil's kitchen to Sweet Pea's playground, every area is meticulously designed to recreate the nostalgic charm of the classic movie and cartoon series. For thrill seekers, Popeye Village offers a range of activities, including boat rides, water play areas, and even a mini golf course. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax, the village has something for everyone. As we bid farewell to Popeye Village, share with us your favorite part of this video in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more travel content and adventures around the world. Thanks for watching. Now let's go for a swim.